A New York appeals court recently ruled against former President Donald Trump's attempt to overturn a gag order related to his hush money criminal case. Trump had challenged the gag order imposed by Judge Juan Merchan, arguing it was unnecessary and violated his right to free speech. Trump's appeal was rejected by a panel of judges from the Appellate Division First Department. The gag order restricts Trump from making public comments about various individuals involved in the case, including prosecutors, court staff, and their families. This measure was deemed necessary after threats were directed towards the court staff and district attorney's office. Despite Trump's conviction on 34 counts of falsifying business records in connection to the payments to adult film actress Stormy Daniels, the judges decided that the gag order would stay in effect through Trump's sentencing. Trump's sentencing, originally expected in July, has been delayed until mid-September as the court considers his motion to dismiss the conviction on the grounds of presidential immunity. Trump, however, has pleaded not guilty, and his legal team continues to argue that the gag order is unconstitutional. They insist it limits Trump's ability to speak freely about the case and the conflicts involving Judge Merchan. Interestingly, Judge Merchan had earlier relaxed some parts of the gag order, allowing Trump to comment on witnesses who testified during his trial. However, restrictions on commenting about court personnel and their families were retained, especially after Trump's repeated criticisms of Judge Merchan's daughter and the district attorney's wife. The ruling from the appeals court highlighted that the gag order was crucial for ensuring the fair administration of justice and protecting those indirectly associated with the case from threats and harassment. This decision further underscores the persistence of significant and imminent threats to the district attorney staff following the jury verdict. Trump's spokesperson, Stephen Chung, criticized the decision, calling the gag order blatantly un-American. The conversation around the gag order also involves discussions on the balance between an individual's First Amendment rights and the protection of justice system participants. As we await Trump's sentencing in September, the broader conservative discourse continues to question the legal strategies employed against the former president. This situation raises essential concerns about political fairness and the potential overreach of judicial procedures in silencing opposition voices.